welcome to my channel Stitch with me. I hope everyone is doing great. So we have finally moved to the final part of this beautiful kit. As you can see that my project is complete. Only a few stitches are left, and let's just do it and then we'll move to the ending part. In these two windows, one of the windows is done already, and here a few of the stitches you can see the yellow color stitches are still left to be done. So I'll complete that and then we'll move on. Start from here. Okay, one thing I would like to tell that when we are taking the stitches, we have to make the thread a little tighter, because unlike our other cross stitch work on the regular Ada, if we tighten the thread in that Ada, it actually opens the hole. But this is because this yarn is fluffy and also soft, so it goes back. So for that we have to just make it a bit tighter, just to give it a nice finish. So guys, this is the final look, and you can see it's nicely done. And here's the pattern chart if I'll give you a look. Okay, working on this kit was a very beautiful experience, because when in winter you are working with the yarn or soft textured thread, it's really very soothing. So let's move on to the clock part. We have to assemble the clock in this, over here in this area. So let's open it. Okay, this is the machinery, and here are the needles. Yeah, this is the hour needle. This one, it is the minutes needle, and this bigger one is the seconds needle. Okay, if you see the middle, there is a red stitch. This red stitch used to be empty because they just colored in the red and I left it unstitched. So over here we are going to install it. Let me make a hole here. Yeah, like this. You can see this knob should be up, right? First of all, we install the smallest needle like this, and then the middle one goes here, and then this is the screw kind of thing, it's going to fix here. Yeah, that's clicked. Okay, so time giving a cell with me. Yeah, so it starts working. You can see my needles are a little bending. Okay. Okay, I can't bend it much because then needle disturbs and it stops working. I hope you can see the movements of the needles, right? Now the final thing will be the framing of this clock. Usually I frame all of my products at home, but this one I cannot, because the reason being is the machinery on the back side of it. So I'll definitely take the framing services. So this is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed all the previous clock tutorials. And if you haven't seen my previous tutorials, I will share the link in my description box so that you can access it easily. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for joining me today. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.